Data science learning guide. So learn it in a specific order, because people, many of the cases, they just start randomly. After a certain point, a lot of data comes in and they just leave it. So data science learning guidance is very needed. So how to do it? First, you need to understand a little bit of maths and stat. That's for sure. So mathematics, for machine learning specialization, you can do some courses like Coursera and all, and StatQuest, you can go for on YouTube. Now afterwards, you need to learn a little bit of MS Excel. MS Excel, you can do it with respect to business specialization. You can do it from Coursera. You can see some YouTube videos. You can see some free videos on Udemy as well. Okay, I also do it, but here it's not my personalized advertisement. I don't want to do. Okay, then there comes the Python. Okay, so 2022 complete Python bootcamp you can do. From Udemy and other courses, you can do it. You can learn it from on your own also, by seeing some good websites also. They give a lot of direct applications of it. Then data analytics, like Google Data Analytics Professional Certificate Program also you can do. Then you comes the machine learning. So here machine learning specialization, and heads out to special some books you can read on this. And then deep learning comes in. So deep learning specialization again, D2AI, it's an ebook, D2I.ai. D2I.ai is very nice ebook I have read. Okay, so this one. Then model deployment. So model deployment is a deep learning for coders with FastI and PyTorch. And this is the AI applications like that. You don't need a PhD for this. And this is it. So now you're good to go. And remember that learning SQL is a must in any CS related job. Hence, not to mention specifically, but this is very important. Okay, so this is the scenario you can follow in order to do great in your career.